Every single morning, when the bright sun comes up, we get to start a brand new, beautiful day. Before we do anything else, we pause to remember who gives us this new day. Allah. Let's read our first sentence together. Repeat after me. Allah is with us all the time. In Urdu, we say, Allah har waqt hamare saath hai. It's a comforting feeling to know that Allah is always right there with us, keeping us safe wherever we go. Now, let's read the next part. Repeat after me. He loves us and takes care of us. In Urdu, वो हमसे प्यार करता है और हमारा ख्याल रखता है. When you sit down to a healthy breakfast that your family prepared for you, you can see exactly how Allah is taking care of you. Those good things you wake up to, a safe bed, a nice meal, a loving family, they show us how much Allah cares for us every single morning. Let's read our next sentence. Ready? We thank Allah that He answers our prayers and gives us what we need.
इन उर्दू हम अल्लाह का शुक्र अदा करते हैं कि वो हमारी दुआएं कबूल करता है और हमें हमारी ज़रूरत की चीज़ें देता है. We talk to Allah when we need help, and He makes sure we have the things that are important to us. Think about how happy you feel when you have clean clothes to wear and your school bag is completely packed. It feels good to have what you need for your day. When we see all of these everyday gifts, saying thank you is the most natural, happy response we can have. Now let's learn about how we figure things out. Repeat after me. Allah knows everything. We do not know everything. Allah सब कुछ जानता है, हम सब कुछ नहीं जानते. It is completely okay not to know everything. Think of it like looking at a really tricky puzzle or a map of a place you've never been. We all need a little help sometimes. Let's read how we get that help. Repeat after me. We thank Allah that He sent His prophets to guide us. In Urdu, हम अल्लाह का शुक्र अदा करते हैं कि उसने हमारी रहनुमाई के लिए अपने नबी भेजे. A prophet helps us find the right path when we are confused, acting like a very wise teacher who shows us the best way to go. Because we can't know everything on our own, Allah gives us these special teachers so we never have to stay lost. Out of all those guides, we have one final teacher to look up to. Let's read his name together. Repeat after me. Muhammad is the holy prophet of Allah. He is the last prophet of Allah. In Urdu, मोहम्मद अल्लाह के पाक नबी हैं, वो अल्लाह के आखिरी नबी हैं. He is the very last teacher sent to help all of us. This is a very old handwritten book of the Quran. Let's read about it. Repeat after me. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us the Holy Quran. Now the next part. Repeat after me. He taught us what is good for us. We follow the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He is our ideal. इन उर्दू, पाक नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने हमें सिखाया कि हमारे लिए क्या अच्छा है. वो हमारे मिसाली नमूना हैं. Because the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam showed us the perfect way to live, we try to act just like him in everything we do. The Quran tells us what to do, and the Prophet showed us exactly how to do it. Together, they give us everything we need to be good people. As our day comes to an end and we look up at the vast night sky, we think about everything we've learned. Let's read our final sentence together. Repeat after me. We thank Allah that He loves us and takes care of us all the time. In Urdu, हम अल्लाह का शुक्र अदा करते हैं कि वो हमसे प्यार करता है और हर वक्त हमारा ख्याल रखता है. It's a wonderful thought to have as we finish our prayers and get ready for sleep. Now let's read the whole story together straight through. Watch the words glow on screen. Allah is with us all the time. He loves us and takes care of us. We thank Allah that He answers our prayers and gives us what we need. Allah knows everything. We do not know everything. We thank Allah that He sent His prophets to guide us. Muhammad is the holy prophet of Allah. He is the last prophet of Allah. We thank Allah that He sent the Holy Prophet to guide us. The Holy Prophet sallallahu taught us the Holy Quran. He taught us what is good for us. We follow the Holy Prophet sallallahu. He is our ideal. We thank Allah that He loves us and takes care of us all the time. Great job! You read that perfectly.
By noticing every small blessing in our day, we can see the whole story of why we are so grateful to Allah.